Unlock the endless possibilities of Minecraft without breaking the bank, because today we're diving into how to play Minecraft with your Xbox Game Pass. First, make sure you have an active Xbox Game Pass subscription. This includes either Game Pass for console, PC Game Pass, or Xbox Game Pass Ultimate. If you don't have one yet, head to the Xbox website or your console's store to subscribe. Next, depending on whether you're on Xbox or PC, the installation process varies slightly. On Xbox, navigate to the Game Pass section, search for Minecraft, and select it. Then click Install. The game will download and install automatically. On PC, open the Xbox app. If you don't have it, download it from the Microsoft Store. Once the app is open, search for Minecraft in the Game Pass library and click Install. Be sure you are signed into your Microsoft account. After installation, launch Minecraft. You'll be prompted to sign in with the Microsoft account linked to your Xbox Game Pass. Once you're signed in, you can choose to play either the Java or Bedrock edition if you are on PC, or the standard console edition if on Xbox. And that's it. You're now ready to explore, build, and create in the world of Minecraft with your Xbox Game Pass. Enjoy.